Ever misplaced something really important, like your keys, your phone, or even your Monzo pin? That heart-stopping moment of panic, the frantic searching, the rising sense of dread? We've all been there. And when it comes to your bank details, that feeling is amplified tenfold. So, if you're watching this video right now, chances are you're asking yourself, how do I get my Monzo pin? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through it. Losing or forgetting your PIN can feel like a major crisis, especially when you need to access your money. But with Monzo, retrieving your PIN is designed to be straightforward and secure. The key is security. Monzo prioritizes protecting your finances, so the process isn't as simple as just calling them up and asking for it. Think about it, you wouldn't want anyone to be able to get access to your PIN that easily, right? Now, before we dive into the how, let's quickly clarify what a PIN is and why it's so important. PIN stands for Personal Identification Number. It's a 4-digit code that acts as your digital signature, verifying that you're the legitimate owner of your Monzo card. It's what you use at ATMs to withdraw cash, and sometimes when making purchases in shops. It's crucial for security because it prevents unauthorized access to your account, even if someone manages to steal your card. So, how do you get your Monzo PIN back if you've forgotten it? The process is entirely contained within the Monzo app itself. This is a conscious decision by Monzo to ensure the highest level of security. Think about it, if you could just retrieve your PIN over the phone or via email, it would be much easier for fraudsters to try and trick the system. Keeping the process within the app means that only you, with access to your Monzo account, can retrieve your PIN. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have access to your Monzo app. This might seem obvious, but if you've changed your phone or are having trouble logging in, that's the first hurdle you need to clear. If you're struggling to access your account, Monzo has a separate support process for that, which we'll touch upon briefly later. Assuming you're logged into the app, the process for retrieving your PIN is actually quite simple. Open the Monzo app and navigate to your account. You can usually do this by tapping on your profile picture or initials, often located in the top corner of the screen. Once you're in your account section, look for an option related to your card. The wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it's usually something like Card, Manage Card, or Card Settings. Tap on this option. Here, you'll find various settings related to your Monzo card. You might see options to freeze your card, report it lost or stolen, or change your card spending limits. Among these options, you should find something along the lines of PIN, View PIN, or Forgotten PIN. This is the magic button. Now, when you tap on the PIN or Forgotten PIN option, Monzo will likely ask you to confirm your identity. This is another crucial security step. They might ask you to enter your password, verify your email address, or even use biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition if you've set that up on your phone. This is all designed to make absolutely sure that it's really you trying to access your PIN. After you've successfully verified your identity, Monzo will present you with your PIN. It's important to note that they won't simply display the PIN outright. Instead, they'll usually show it to you in a secure way, perhaps by revealing one digit at a time, or by requiring you to tap on a series of masked numbers to reveal the full PIN. This is another layer of security to prevent anyone from accidentally glimpsing your PIN over your shoulder. Once you've seen your PIN, memorize it immediately. Don't write it down anywhere, especially not on your card or a piece of paper that you keep with your card. This is a huge security risk. The best way to remember your PIN is to associate it with something memorable, like a birthday or a special date. Just make sure it's not something easily guessable, like your own birthday or anniversary. After you've memorized your PIN, you're good to go. You can now use your Monzo card as usual. Now, let's address a couple of common questions. What if you're having trouble logging into the Monzo app in the first place? Well, Monzo has a dedicated help section within the app and on their website. They offer various support options, including FAQs, live chat, and even phone support. You can find their contact details on their website or by searching for Monzo support online. Another question people often ask is, can I change my Monzo PIN? Yes, you can. The process is very similar to retrieving a forgotten PIN. Go to the card or card settings section of the app, and you should find an option to change PIN. You'll again be asked to verify your identity, and then you can set a new 4-digit PIN. One final point to remember, Monzo will never ask you for your PIN directly, whether by phone, email, or in person. If anyone claiming to be from Monzo asks you for your PIN, it's almost certainly a scam. Never, ever give out your PIN to anyone. So, to recap, retrieving your Monzo PIN is a simple and secure process that's entirely contained within the Monzo app. You'll need to navigate to your card settings, verify your identity, and then your PIN will be revealed to you securely. Remember to memorize your PIN and never share it with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.